Most people get this wrong when Amazon Prime Video stops working. They immediately uninstall the app or assume their account has been banned. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most Prime Video issues can be fixed in just a few minutes if you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Amazon Prime Video problems in 2026. Whether the app won't open, videos won't play, buffering won't stop, or you're seeing error messages, you'll learn exactly what to do. Let's start with the quickest fix first. If Prime Video isn't working, completely close the app and reopen it. This sounds simple, but temporary app glitches are one of the most common causes. If you're on a phone, swipe the app away from recent apps. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, force close the app if possible. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Prime Video requires a stable connection for streaming. Try opening another website or streaming service to see if your internet is working properly. But here's the problem. Many people only test their internet speed and forget about connection stability. Even fast internet can cause buffering if the signal keeps dropping. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or restarting the router completely. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue isn't your device at all. Prime Video servers occasionally experience outages or temporary technical problems. If multiple users are reporting issues at the same time, waiting a few minutes may solve the problem automatically. Next, make sure the Prime Video app is updated. Outdated versions can cause login errors, playback issues, and compatibility problems. Visit your device's app store and check for updates. In a minute, I'll show you one fix that solves many account-related errors. Check whether your Amazon account and Prime membership are active. Sometimes users can sign into the app successfully, but lose access to content because of billing issues, expired memberships, or account verification requirements. This is where most people fail. They spend hours troubleshooting their device when the actual issue is related to their account status. A quick account check can save a lot of time. If problems continue, clear the app cache if your device supports it. Temporary files can sometimes become corrupted and interfere with normal playback. After clearing the cache, restart the device and try again. Let's quickly recap. Restart the app. Test your internet connection. Reboot your router. Check for Prime Video outages. Update the app, verify your Amazon account status, and clear the app cache if necessary. By following these steps, you'll solve the majority of Amazon Prime Video issues in 2026. If this guide helped you get Prime Video working again, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.